Welcome to Trailways Hotel Nelson, downtown on the river, one of Nelson's most stylish and contemporary venues. We are centrally located within a few minutes' walk of Nelson's central shopping precinct. Trailways Hotel Nelson has 47 rooms, many with Mai Tai River or Nelson City mountain ridge views and private balconies. Our rooms include studio, spa and executive rooms, ideal for couples. Interconnecting rooms, offering more space for the family. Accessible studio units. And suites for executive comfort. All rooms have access to a deck or outside area, kitchenettes, telephone and internet access, Sky TV, quiet air conditioning and en-suites with toiletries and a hairdryer. There are 3 serviced conference rooms for your next business event, wedding or function. For the business traveller, we have up-to-the-minute facilities to make your stay most productive. We also offer laundry services, a luxurious heated swimming pool, staff available 24/7 and great competitive rates and specials. We are eco-friendly and believe in protecting the beautiful environment of New Zealand and want to ensure that we use no more resources than our business requires. Under the one roof is the Tides Restaurant and Bar. Overlooking the river, it is open for your dining pleasure for breakfast and dinner. Trailways Hotel, 66 Trafalgar Street, Nelson. trailwayshotel.co.nz